Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can reset the picture on your Samsung TV back to factory settings. So you might have been playing around with stuff and you've got a bit lost where you are and you're not happy with the actual screen. So we're going to go into settings, which is this little button here. This TV is a Samsung 7 Series TV, 65 inch. And we're just going to use the arrows here and this button here to enter in. So under picture, we're going to go into that. We're going to go down to expert settings. And down the very bottom, you have an option to reset picture. So I'm going to press enter into that. And it's asking you, do you want to reset or cancel? So I'm going to go over to reset, press enter. And now the picture settings have been reset. In fact, I could see it went a little bit darker there. So there you go. If you've played around and you're not happy with it and you think you've made the picture worse, then you can always reset it again back to default settings and then just press exit and you're back to normal again. Thanks for watching.